welcome back. We got a box.
It's me again.
So, as I said in the last unboxing video, it is a monthly subscription, and we are being very, you know, not the way you're supposed to do it, but we gotta keep. We're gonna open it that way. But it is a monthly subscription box. And they have multiple different tiers of prices that you can choose from. Everything from, I think it's $9.99 for a sticker box, all the way up to the ultimate. Nope.
How am I supposed to put
that box? Right here. Up to the ultimate box, like this one, for $119 plus shipping.
I'll open it eventually.
So we did get the ultimate box again, and so this is not been on my desk all day. I actually just got this just a few minutes ago because it didn't get here until today. So I sent my husband out to the P.O. box so that we could get our package because I was done waiting. And
I'm really pasty right now. It's like
it will be okay.
I need
Okay, so we got it open. Ta-da! Alright, so
me hopes. Me something.
This is what the box looks like this month. Oops.
Oh, sparkles.
I just lost the sparkles. And these things, if you step on them right, are very sharp. So
go on and dig a little deeper inside your Bibbidi Bobbidi Box. You might just find something magical. And then it's got a quote, when you find out who you are, you'll find out what you need. Blue skies and sunshine guaranteed. Is that from the song from, what's it called? Troubles?
Can you see that okay? There we go. And then this is the spoiler alert, and I'm not gonna look.
I'm doing my
Try not
best.
to see through it. But it's got Pooh Bear on it this month. Look how cute.
I'm sorry for ripping the tissue paper, but it's not working with me today.
As long as we're not ripping this sticker, we're good.
Da, 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 da. Ooh.
It's not ears, but just as good. We got a Dumbo hat.
Modeling.
And it's adjustable. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so cute. It's from the movie. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see. And it is adjustable.
This is what I think it says. I call dibs. Possibly.
You can't call dibs on every box.
Sure I can.
What
I'm
else?
Sammy.
You pick the first thing. I get to pick the second thing.
Pick this one.
No, I'll pick this.
No, I don't want to pick the purple thing.
I'm getting the purple thing this time. So, paw.
What is that? Is that a towel?
This
That's a towel.
is...
A towel.
Is it a towel?
It looks like a towel. I'm telling you it's a
Oh, I
towel.
think it's a tablecloth. No,
No, it's a towel.
no. It's a scarf. It's a scarf. Look how
You can
pretty.
have it.
Oh, she wanted it before I got it. Okay.
I am digging into the
very
next thing
pretty.
now. So much dibs. Maybe you should have listened to me, Mommy.
Maybe I
Look
should
at this
have.
thing. It's so cute. It's a key cat. It's a key cat.
It's a lounge fly.
It's a key cat.
Who is it?
I don't know.
Oh, well, if you don't know, then you can't have it.
Says you.
It's Marie from Aristocrat Cats.
Aristocrat?
Aristocats.
What's that? Sorry.
Again, if you don't know, you can't have it. Give me.
You, I want it.
Oh, fine.
You can have that
Mine.
Merida thing.
Look.
It's one of the
It's a
picture
Meredith baby
frames.
brother. This is also a Disney exclusive.
Excuse me while I try my best to open this up.
Oh
It's got
my
bow.
gosh.
Am I the only one who's just now noticing the bow?
No. I've done noticed it. Look at you trying to rip things.
Stingray.
can't take you nowhere.
What?
So I did update my preferences after my last box, which we were ecstatic with, and so far we are pretty ecstatic with this one too.
I'm seeing it very well. It's Dumbo.
Here we go. It's a
It's
notebook.
Dumbo. Yep, it's a notebook.
It is a
Something got
notebook.
a
Dibs.
Nope, I touched it first. You can have those though.
And then we got Magic Kingdom. Oh yes.
Feel the Ice Queen.
Oh yes. I'm rocking it. Yeah.
She got a
I'm
weave.
rocking it. Okay, so we got Magic Kingdom
Where's the
map and Epcot map.
Where's the hat? Oh, here's the hat.
So those will definitely help with planning our vacation coming up in August. So thank you, ladies. Overall,
Yeah,
is that it? Is that everything?
Yep.
Overall, very pleased with this box. Very, very pleased with this box. This was the April box.
I also called dibs on this. Just saying.
You can little everything good.
You can have the notebook.
Okay, I get the notebook.
I'll be nice for once.
Yay.
Owie.
So in this notebook, so you have, this is the cover. You open it up, and it has like the cassette tape.
Is this a Disney exclusive? My bag.
And it is a Parks exclusive.
Got him.
And then it just has regular notebook paper on one side, and then graph paper on the back side. So
Hey Mom,
that's
and
with
I
all
can be
the
the
way through.
fanciest one at the work.
Hopefully you can see that.
Hey, now we can plan our Disney.
Yep, I think this is going to be my Disney planning notebook. I think that's what it is.
Roxy wants to say hello.
Okay, so let's go to the spoiler alert.
Who needs spoilers?
So the Lounge Fly, who is it?
This thing?
Who is it?
Some chick from Catalyst?
If she don't know, she don't get to keep it.
Aristocats. It's Aristocats.
Marie Face micro bag is $52. The Disney's Dumbo Believe hat is $19.99. The Disney Parks exclusive Brave Bear Cub plush is cutie patootie, and he is so soft. He's $14.99. The Mickey Paisley scarf is $24.99. So I was right, it is a scarf. So pretty too. I love those collars. And the Dumbo VHS journal is $15.99. So my total box came to $127.96. And since I only paid $119 for it, very, very good deal.
Okay. I just looked at the Aristocrat thing.
Aristocat.
Leave me alone. I may not watch that Disney movie, but I like Miraculous Ladybug. For the record, I made a cat joke with the Catalyst. Watch Ladybug and Cat Noir, okay? It's got this like across the shoulder belt thing that comes with it.
Sweet. Now I can put my Chip and Dale wallet in my little Aristocats bag.
Funny. That's hilarious. That she could get a comedy job.
I'm feeling the love. So let's recap, shall we? My last box, I lost my ears because she got to them before I did.
I think I gave this back, didn't I?
You told me until you got a better pair that I wasn't getting them.
Yeah, that's right.
So this box, I lost my hat. And then last box, I lost my
Cup.
tumbler. This box, I lost my bag. But I got to gain
she
a
doesn't
bear
call this fast enough. It's not my fault.
and a notebook and a scarf. So I think I did pretty good out of this box.
You know, this kind of reminds me of like a designer bag thing that you would get because of like this back thing. Like it says it's Disney.
Lounge Fly.
It looks designy.
Because it is.
Is she some sort of like stuck-up cat in the thing?
Marie?
Yeah.
She's a very pretty kitty.
Is she like a stuck-up pretty kitty that falls for the dingy Alley cat.
I don't know. You'll have to watch it and find out.
Not just spoil it. I want to see Endgame.
That's not true.
I don't care.
Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And we are going to start putting together some more Disney content because we are getting closer and closer to our Disney vacation. So
if anyone remembers me, if anyone sees me wearing this at the Disney trip, if you comment, you get a shout out when we go to Disney if you spot it.
Sounds like a pretty good deal to me. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video. I'm going to try to upload a little bit more often. Things are starting to calm down a little bit, so we should be able to upload some more videos besides just once a month. But yes, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, you've outdone yourself again. Thank you very much.
You need to request more Mulan stuff. I didn't get anything Mulan.
I did request Mulan.
Well, so request it again.
I will have it in there again.
I need something, Mulan man.
So we will see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.
Yeah.